Birthday list begins with Jackson Dale Hutching out there on the swing. That's a good picture right there. Jackson Dale, a happy first to you, my friend in Columbus.
All right. And then we have Kylan Allen turning 8 years old, sporting the
That's a cool sweater.
cool sweater there.
I like that.
I would not call that an ugly Christmas sweater. It's kind of cute. And Kylan is in Carl Junction.
Let's run out to Seneca because Chief Miller celebrating his 8th birthday. A trip to Arrowhead. Can't beat that. And these happy birthday wishes coming from Daddy, Maddie, Emma, and Nanny.
All right. Jackson Joe Barcelona celebrating birthday number 12 this year. Hope it's a great one for you, Jackson.
Already knows how to wear the eye black. I like that. Emmeline Wallane. Emmeline, a happy 13th birthday. We got a slew of new teenagers here this morning. This is great. Emmeline is celebrating in Fairland. Her birthday's coming up this weekend. And Emmeline, I want you to have a wonderful birthday weekend with love from Mom, Isabella, and Nanny again.
All right.
We've got nannies all over the place this morning.
I like that. And let's see, we've got Aubrey Humble. Welcome to the teenage years, Aubrey, in Pittsburgh. I like that pick.
We will keep this 13 theme going with Jeremy Johnson. Already bagging a good one right there. Jeremy, I want you to have a marvelous birthday, kiddo. And remember, if you ever want to drop jerky off at the station, it's always welcome.
Sounds like a plan.
Backstrap. Fillets.
Michael's mouth is watering. All right. Matt Wisdom, happy birthday number 29.
Aww.
It looks like you've got a gift there in your arms. We've got birthday wishes coming from your wife and Sawyer.
I bet that's Sawyer in his arms right there. That's great. Ashley Little is turning 29, and she not only takes care of that kiddo right there, she actually has a slew of kiddos that she takes care of because Ashley, I'm told, is one awesome kindergarten teacher. So Ashley, number one, thank you for educating the young ones of the 4 states, and number 2, a happy birthday in Girard.
Awesome. All right, Alan Arthur turning 39 years old this year. All right.
That's a good one.
That's a cool picture.
It's
me wanna
warm
go to the
too
ocean.
when that picture was taken. Fawn Zappa, a happy 64th birthday. Miss Fawn, she celebrates in Loma Linda.
Jim Mingarelli turning 68 years old this year. Happy birthday, Jim, in Girard.
Happy birthday, Mr. Mingarelli. Well, look at this. Our good friend Judy Meister celebrating her 69th birthday. And what a marvelous picture right there with Judy and the fam. Judy, I want you to have a marvelous birthday. She's in Pittsburgh.
All right. Happy birthday, Judy. And happy birthday to Dave Ashmore, who's now 69 years old. That is not him in the middle. That's him on the right. Happy birthday, Dave.
That is correct. I will confirm that. Janet Houston is celebrating her 72nd birthday. Miss Houston, I want you to have a marvelous birthday weekend in Girard.
All right. And in Thayer, Kansas, Larry Brown turning 77 years old this year. Happy birthday, Larry.
Let's run down to Columbus and celebrate Marcella Carter's 84th birthday. Happy birthday, Marcella.
Let's see, turning 90 years old here. We've got Miss
great.
Dora Lee Thompson out in Mound Valley. What a wonderful picture. She's pictured here with her son and her 3 grandchildren. Happy birthday from the entire family, Miss Dora Lee.
Jeremy Harris, he is in Chanute. And Jeremy, I want you to know that these birthday wishes not only come from everybody here, but also with love from your wife.
All right. And we've got Lana Faulkner celebrating a birthday in Chautauqua. Happy birthday, Lana.
How about this for an anniversary milestone? Rod and Kathy Olson, half century, 50 years of marriage. Congratulations, Rod and Kathy. That is amazing.
And our very own
Who that is?
sales manager, we've got Rye Addis. Happy birthday, Rye.
You know, I used to do his birthday, and I used to say, you know, he obviously marvelous dude. He's like half family, folks, so that's why I'm allowed to espouse on him. I used to be able to say, well, he's a marvelous son. Because that's what he was when I met him. Well, now you have to remember, then he became a marvelous husband and son. Now he's a marvelous dad, husband, and son. Well done, young man. Well done, young man. You know we love you. Cindy Proctor, a happy birthday in Fort Scott. Bill McDermott is celebrating his 81st birthday. A happy birthday to Bill in Crestline. And Tanner Bolt, the big number 12. You got one more year before you're a teenager, Tanner, and we'll count it down with you. Happy birthday in Chanute.
Out in Mountain Valley, Willie Martin turns 53 years old this year, and it's time to celebrate in Columbus with Abby Nelson.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Give you an idea where to send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
All right, want a chance to win a prize? Become a part of our KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.